All right, guys, welcome to another video with Carl's Garage, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use and log in and do everything for the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent. Actually, this is kind of like a personal video. I got two guys that just ordered and they were having trouble. They were clicking the link and it was taking them to like the wrong thing. And one guy was like, oh, is it a fake website and all this other stuff? No, it's not a fake website. It's 1,000% written by me. The Cloudflare, and I'll show you guys here in one of my tabs. So this right here lets you know it's a legit website. Everything is legit. This is my Cloudflare in the background for the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent to accept people and do all this other stuff. And there's something going on with where I'm hosting the website and the Cloudflare. So the regular domain works, but the link that I put in my automated reply, for some reason, the link that I used to send you guys an automated reply, that there was something wrong with that link. There's nothing wrong with the website. That's why anytime you just come here, you type in Kia Hyundai, right, boom, it automatically takes you to it. There's no problem. Use it however you want. I'm in the admin right here. So I come in here and then I'm able to audit anybody and I'm able to log anybody in. So if you have any issues, just email me and I will get to you. I just remember that I don't do this full time. I have my full-time company. I just actually launched a software company as well. So I'm doing a lot of stuff with software. That's what I do, software development. Yes, I have my printing company and stuff like that, but everything that I do at least 8 hours a day is strictly related to software and technically, well, not technically, but essentially AI software. So Kia Hyundai Recall Agent is just like not a side project, but that's what my hobby and my love is, cars. So this software helps a lot of people because so many people every single day continue to ask me about Kia Hyundai stuff. So that's the reason why. So don't be alarmed or no, is it a fake website? No, buddy, it's not. I wrote everything myself. I don't do that. It's 6 years I've been doing this, helping people. So the original website is Carl's Garage because that's what they were asking me about. They were like, oh, well, there's two different websites and it takes me here. Yes, this one right here is written in Shopify. So I have limitations in what I'm able to do. And again, if you want a free book, just go ahead and sign up. I have limitations and I have to pay so much money for this in Shopify. Whereas Kia Hyundai Recall Agent is written in a different software that allows me to do crazy customizations and maximize my SEO. If you guys look here, I have a footer, I have all this other stuff. My SEO is crazy, whereas Carl's Garage, because it's in Shopify, it's just not that good. And I'm not in the ability to code and get the company out there, get the brand out there is a lot more difficult through Shopify than it is through other software agents. So I just want to let that be known. So this is what I get whenever I log in. I get access to all this stuff. I can see anything. I have my admin dashboard. I can see anything. I got people here, active users, total users, and all this other stuff. But even there, I still have different users that aren't visible. So and that's who I handle on the back end of my AI software. So this right here, this is kind of like the front end. And then in the back end, I also have a bunch of AI users. I have a bunch of users here too that aren't on my admin dashboard as well. So that 36 count number is just what's here visibly for this demo, but there's way more in the back end. Anyway, so whenever you first get the software, you're going to be sent an automated, give me one second, you're going to be sent an automated response from me. From me, it's going to come from straight to the content. It's going to be an automated response. And remember, whenever you buy the software, you're going to get both books for free. You're going to get the handbook and the script book for free. So all of that is going to be in an email. Now, like I said, what I figured out was that because I'm writing everything myself, I'm doing everything myself, I figured out that that link that was in that automated reply had an issue. And that's because of Cloudflare, because Cloudflare, if you guys don't know, Cloudflare is it's a software that you get to basically put like the HTTPS and let it know that your site is secure, because I don't want anybody thinking that the sites aren't secure, especially if you're building a site using AI and it's not like through Shopify or something like this, it's not going to necessarily come with it. So you have to do that kind of manually. You have to manually go in there and you have to set up your Cloudflare. There's a bunch of stuff that you have to do. So I say that to say, whenever you come to Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, yours is going to look like this. Any link that anybody gets moving forward is going to look like this. And I apologize for the people who were getting like the 404 error link or something like that. I apologize for that. So you're all set. And I sent those two guys, I sent you guys the correct links. So you're going to log in. You're going to log in because I'm going to give you access. So once I send you that, you're going to have access in the admin, in this part of the admin, so that you can have access to all of the tools and then all this additional information that I have down here. So I got like vehicle guides and stuff like that. You will have access to all of this stuff once you're generate response letter, KSDS status. There's so much here. So today, this video really is to generate response. This video right here is to kind of show you guys, like when you get here, don't freak out because there's so much. I will eventually give you videos, which I have out there, how to use your generate warranty response. If somebody contacts you, recall info. Let me go back here. These are more videos, and then we're gonna hit back. Let's see, chat assistant. Somebody was asking me about a chat assistant, and well, let's see, I was doing this the last one, but he was asking me about it. But again, this is not meant for mobile. This is meant for a computer, so that you can come in here, type in whatever you need, and then hit reply. I mean, not hit reply, hit the go button, and it's going to totally answer, help you out, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, that's what all of this is gonna do. If you already got the book, you don't have to worry about recommended sources because you already have the books. This is just more marketing that I added into the website, stuff like that. But again, it works just fine. Come in here, type in whatever question. Let me see if I even have somebody. I might have somebody's question or comment that they, let me see, update. Let me see if I have somebody. Right here. Okay, so I got this guy's comment. I'm just gonna copy this bottom section of the comment. I'm gonna add it in here. We're gonna hit paste, boom, boom. Now it's gonna, again, use it on to see how everything disappears, goes, use it on the computer. Okay, hi, I'm sorry to hear your engine replacement was denied. The situation, HMA offers our partial payment, vehicle buyback instead of full engine replacement does happen, particularly. Anyway, so these are the steps. Did the dealer say no to KSDS? This is how you use it. This right here. This is how you use just the chat assistant, but there's so many other tools in there. Again, I keep telling everybody, you have to go do the dealer ratings. As soon as you get this software, you need to jump right here to dealer ratings, and you need to let everybody know what dealer you are dealing with, okay? Because I have a ton of success stories. Now, oh, actually, no, the success stories actually aren't even being shared. Everyone just keeps sharing the success stories with me. Nobody's, or they will come in here and do like the dealer ratings. And you see this right here is like a good success story. But I need you guys to continue to do that. So please go here, sign up, and then add the success stories, all the users, because everyone just continues to send me emails personally. So interactive engine guide, this right here is going to take you to Carl's Garage again, which gives you, you already have the handbook, so you don't need to get it. It's going to give you more information here. But again, my favorite tool is the chat assistant, because it's just like talking to me. It's just like talking to me personally. But this is a trained model. This is what I do for a living, is build. And again, you will continue to see stuff down here get bigger and bigger and bigger, and my SEO gets stronger, stronger, stronger. But I build software. So to those people out there, Mr. Ladd and Mr. is it Judd? There's a Mr. Ladd and not Ladd Bryce and a Mr. Who is this? Mr. Jedediah Johnson and Mr. Ladd. You guys are all set. I'll check off camera because I don't want to give your guys information on camera if you guys are in here. I'm pretty sure you're in there because I sent those emails to you guys replying to you like earlier in the day, and I haven't heard anything from you. So I'm assuming you're using it. I know one of you guys were actually using it, and you just had some problems like with the portals or something like that. Web portals for Carl's Garage, which is, oh yeah, this is the guy that was asking which is legit. No, they're both. He was saying, did I sign up for a fake Carl's Garage? No, you didn't sign up for a fake Carl's Garage. Either channel, I wrote both. That's why I tell people, watch my videos. People just watch one video and then they just, it's like, no, bro, I got thousands of videos. I counted my videos the other day. I got over 2,000 videos total on just one channel, I think. I don't even know about both Carl's Garage and Straight Outta Compton. I have a ton of videos out there for the last 6 years since 2019, but since 2020 pertaining to Kia Hyundai Recall Agent. So this video is to just let you guys know that whenever you go to Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, there's an incognito window. this is what it's gonna look like. Once you click the link, I'm gonna send it to you. Once you pay for it, you're gonna get sent the link. You're then gonna log in. Once you log in, you will be able to log in because I put your email and information and I made you an active user the second you made the, well, not the second, I apologize. Not the second you purchase, because I have a lot of people that purchase at like 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I manually do everything. This way I keep a human interaction with you, because if I automate everything, then if you have problems, you don't have a response. You see what I'm saying? And that's why I got like one guy who emailed me, I don't know which one it was Jed or the other guy, but you emailed me like 15 times. That's an exaggeration, but you did email me a lot. And I'm like, hey, when I get to my emails, I sort everything out, even if I have to go do something manually. And today, that's when I found out about like the Cloudflare thing, because I was like, why does this link keep messing up? Why is it not working for people? So I fixed it and I resent you the link and everything. So just want everybody to know that that's what this video is for. Whenever you purchase, right down here, you're gonna go down here, you're gonna purchase. As soon as you get it, you're going to be sent a link. Now give it some time, because there's 2 links that are going to be sent to you. I mean, there's 2 emails that are going to be sent to you. There's going to be one automated email, and then there's going to be one manual email. And the manual one that you see from me straight out of content that comes with the free books, because the first one isn't going to come with the books. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. But the second one, you're going to receive another one that's going to come with the books. The reason why there's a gap in between, because I need to go and manually make sure that you are set up for the software. Then once I do that, I put in your name and stuff like that. Then once you go to use the chat assistant, it knows you. You may think it doesn't, but it knows you. It's in the background and it's already prepared for you. At least that's how the AI, that's how I built it to work. So that's why there's like a little bit of time, but if I'm right on it, or I just see an instant purchase, or whenever the purchase comes through, I immediately go and I send it to you personally. Because what happens a lot is people like Mr. Johnson, he went to the Shopify versus sending an email to leave a comment, but I'm able to see it and I'm able to knock it out and handle that immediately. So I just want you to let you guys know that everything is live, everything is working very well. I got people buying the books, which I totally appreciate. I got that new ad that I'm running where I was pretty aggressive with like the fire in the background. Go check that out. And then I also have people buying the agent. And this is what I do. I have another piece of software that's out there as well, which is way bigger, way more complex than this. But remember that I did everything myself. There's no help, there's no hire, there's nobody else in another country writing anything. Everything is 100% done by me. This way I keep a connection directly to you. So even though you may be replied to with automation and AI and stuff like that, don't forget that I am still in the background and I still keep a strong control over everything. This way, if there's any problems, I'm able to just jump on it. Just give me time, just give me patience. That's all that I ask for. Okay, guys, so please stay tuned. Watch this video, stay tuned for the next one.